STHD8511 is a professional high-integration device which includes encoding, multiplexing. It has 24 HDMI input, 1000 MIP output, MPTS and SPTS output, or RTMP, HTTP, RTSP, HLS, SRT protocol for optional. The video series include from appearance, installation, parameter setting, OSD function, as well as application. Let's look at the appearance. For the backside, beside of power port, there are 24 HDMI interface. It is composed of 6 independent encoder modules internally. Each module has 4 HDMI interfaces. The input resolution max to 1920 x 1080/60p. It also support below resolutions. For the front size, there are a LCD display, buttons and indicator lights. ASI input for multiplexing. ASI output if we need connect with modulator for RF distribution. NMS port for web management. Data 1 IP output, RTMP, HTTP, RTSP, HLS, SRT protocol. Only STHD8511R has data 1. Data 2 IP output, MPTS, SPTS output over UDP, RTP. The two ports can output streams simultaneously. If you also need IP as input, Data 3 port can be used for it. Only for STHD8511R version. Please kindly STHD8511 version is used for UDP. Don't has data 1 and data 3. How to install 24 HDMI video encoder. Let's watch the next video.